Hi everyone, this is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. We truly believe that the best way to prove a product's performance is to let you try it yourself. That's why I'm always happy to provide free samples of our products, including SiliconEx 500 and ShinglEx 800. One common request we get for ShinglEx 800 is to see all available color options in action. For that, we offer a 6-quart sample box, and we only charge a minimum fee to cover basic costs like shipping, not for profit. So if you are curious, want to test the product, feel free to reach out. We are always happy to help you try before you decide. Questions, comment below, like it, hit like, want more, subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you next time. Your order is here, ready to ship. Catch it.